awesome. Babe, who's that? What is that? Oh, you're right. There is. Baby, that's right. Where's the sheep? Where are the sheep? Yeah. There's sheep. Oh. Is that a squirrel now?
What does the donkey say? Hee-haw! Hee-haw!
Hee-haw. It says, kiss you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Did you give Aunt Michelle a kiss? She'll come give you a kiss.
Chloe.
Feels like it.
Chloe. That's Mary.
Oh.
Baby.
What is she
That's
wearing?
our mama.
What color is she wearing?